5 easy lines on Guru Purnima for primary classes. Guru has a very important place in our life. It falls on the full moon of Asad month. It marks the birthday of Maharishi Ved Vyas. On this day, gurus, teachers are worshipped and respected. It is mainly celebrated by people of Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.